Curious about your user's payment methods and how you can use it to prevent fraud? Introducing the Payment Mode Report from Fraud Labs Pro. This report provides deep insights into customer payment behaviors, transaction outcomes, and geographical trends. By using this report, you can quickly identify trending payment methods like credit cards, PayPal, cash on delivery, and so on. Spot those with higher rejection rates that may indicate fraud risks. View total spending with our bar chart and track total orders using the line chart to spot suspicious activity by IP country. Plus, analyze payment mode trends over time, including hourly, daily, and monthly fluctuations. You can catch any holiday spikes that could signal red flags. To access this useful report, log into your Fraud Labs Pro Merchant area and access it under the Reports menu. Secure your business with the Payment Mode Report now.